I don't want to use vodka because it's made from potatoes. So we got a nice, you need a little knife here. Alright, so you can leave this whole, you can cut it up. I think I'm just going to cut them up. And I'm just going to fill this jar up. No, I'm cutting on the counter. That's okay. When I was growing up, we didn't have cutting boards. No, not my dad would cut instead of putting a paper towel down or something else, and he would cut on the counter. Why? My mom would just yell at him, "Why are you cutting on the counter?" Because where do you want me to cut? So, you know, fun memories. Those are always good. And if you want to have some actual lemon in there, you can cut a slice of lemon and put it in there. But I've always used just the peels, so maybe that was part of the issue. But, so this time we'll add a lemon slice at the top. And since my granddaughter loves lemons, we got a big bag of lemons. I've been using lemons for lemon water. She just likes eating lemons. I mean, she always has as a kid. Well, when she was younger. Let's put it that way. And this time I'm going to save those seeds. I'm going to go plant one in the back. See if we can get a lemon tree to grow. I'll plant a couple and see what happens. I think that'd be cool to have our own lemon tree. Alright, so I'm going to put those seeds to the side. I've got a lemon right here that I've been using, like I said, for my lemon water. So I'm going to get a nice slice. You can squeeze it. You don't have to squeeze it. We'll set right there at the top. Put that down. Alright. I just love the smell of lemons. It's so refreshing. Alrighty. So let's see how much this one fills up. Oh, almost all the way. But save your bottle, because when your tinctures are finished and everything, you don't have to buy a new bottle. You already have one, or two, or three, or something. Then you can just always keep adding to the bottle until you get a full bottle. So I'll just fill it up to the neck right there. We're going to let this set, and you put the date on there. Let me get a ring. And since this already has rum, and this says vanilla, I know it's not vanilla. We're going to put on here, and we'll put the date. So today is May. It's May 9th. Can you believe that already? 2026. And we can put lemon at the top. So I marked it. I marked the date. Now I know vanilla, they said for it to sit a year to 18 months. So this time I'm going to let this sit longer. I'll check it in about 6 weeks. You know, and give it a good shake and everything. And then we'll have some lemon extract. So that way you have your own. You know, if you don't have it right offhand, you can always, you know, buy some from the store and everything while you wait for this to make. And then you can do, you know, if you've got a bunch of lemons, you can do 2 jars or 3 jars. You could do a quart jar. Depends on how many lemons you have. You can fill your quart jar up, you know, the same way. Probably fill it up right here, and then the rest with whatever you're using, whether it's vodka or rum or brandy or, you know, anything like that. Now you can use vegetable glycerin if you don't want to use any alcohol. There is vegetable glycerin that you can make extracts from, and different things also. But most of the extracts that you find in the store, they're like pure vanilla and everything. They're all made from alcohol. And the alcohol just extracts all the flavor out and everything. So you don't have, so you have the flavor of whatever you're making. I just like, you know, using it this way and everything. That way you know what's in it yourself and all. Let me show you my bottle of vanilla. So they get their Torani flavors and everything. So the last bottle, I asked them to, you know, save this bottle for me. I washed it out, rinsed it out really good and everything. And I've been using it. So maybe it was probably up to here because I've been using it a lot, like in my coffees or in my baking and everything. So it's a fun way to use homemade vanilla. But this was actually 2 pint jars. These are pint jars. 2 pint jars filled this up and everything. So probably 2.5 would fill it up to here and everything. Now I do have 1 more jar of vanilla, but it's made with vodka because that's what I had on hand. And it has some rum that I used. So this is what they just got for me this time. So, and this set for almost 2 years. I let it sit in the vanilla and everything, and I forgot. I threw the vanilla beans away. Forgot to make vanilla paste, which is good for, you know, pies, cakes, muffins, and all that too. So next time I make vanilla, which I want to get some more vanilla beans, I'll make that vanilla paste also. But yeah, this is fun to do, you know, and watch things happen and, for, you know, take its time and everything. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. And when that's done, I'll make another video. Have a wonderful day.